So I prompted Google Gemini to create me a threat modeler, specifically AI risk threat modeler. And it created this HTML interface right here, real simple to use. Um, all you do is download it. I have it on my GitHub. I'll have the link to that. It's free. Um, Real simple to use. All you do is download the HTML file and double click on it, and you get this threat modeler interface for AI threats. So I just want to do a quick demo, kind of go through it. Um, so right here has a pretty nice interface, nothing too special. But right here, you start with your step one, select your AI threat scenario. So it has initial scan. We can see the other choices: prompt injection, model inversion, harmful bias, and discrimination, supply chain compromise. So you see you have all the choices right here. I'm gonna go ahead and click prompt injection. Um, and also I want to state that when I did the prompt, I designed it to have the interface basically map to MITRE Atlas to those attacks, and also provide the once you go through your threat modeler, threat modeling scenario, it would then map and go to the MITRE Atlas mitigation, your control that you would put in place if you didn't already have it in place. So did want to state that. So the second step, map to our MITRE Atlas tactic. We want to say is execution. Right here, we can formulate the specific misuse scenario, um, whatever it was. And you know, with threat modeling, you're trying to kind of get ahead of threats, kind of forecasting. Um, you may have either seen some scenarios, you may know that those scenarios are likely in your organization, or you may just start brainstorming and thinking about the what ifs, and you can type that in here and kind of match that scenario. I'm going to just say attacker injected prompt to make AI ignore systems commands. I'll say make AI override. Well, it's going to be an override, but I'll say the first step in that is to make the AI ignore. I'll say ignore the systems. Or I'll say the system, same thing, but LLMs commands. All right. Existing controls, we're going to say none. We did the research and we know that we don't have this control in place. Control effectiveness, it's going to be none. No current control. So you have your choice. You can say high confidence. You got it tested, robust, actively monitored. You got medium, you got low. So I'm going to go with none. And we're going to do a risk routing and decision because this is our maximum risk. Um, we have a threat and we don't have a control in place. Um, this is going to go, that's none. For number five, this is going to be escalate, sent to the governance board or whoever you send it to escalate to the next level to have this remediated. Product owners, application owners, whoever is going to remediate this SOC team, um, whoever is the escalation point, and we're going to hit execute analysis. So right here, what it does is it's pretty self-explanatory. It gives us the timestamp, just giving us a record of the investigation, the exercise we went through. Timestamp, the threat prompt injection right here, the tactic. So we have our MITRE Atlas tactic. It shows the actual misuse. Controls are not in place, so the decision is to escalate. Um, Control, so it has the recommended control right here, which is good. The details, implement a filter between the model and the user. If the input looks like an attack, block it before it reaches the model. So right here, we also have our, this will take us right to our control on the Atlas monitor page. And right here, we have the raw JSON artifact. It's everything up here, just the raw version, which is always useful. So you have a nice log, nice record of of what happened right here doing your threat modeling. I'll click on this, see you can actually go to uh, the control in place. So right here, we can work on getting this control in place, reading the documentation. But that is it.